All right, guys, I have quite an interesting product here for you today to check out. This is a mobile battery bank, typical to what you see the smaller ones that you can kind of recharge your cell phones with on the go. This one's made by Topdon. This is a mobile power multifunction starting device. And what that means is, I'll bring you over here to the box to check it out. You can actually start a vehicle, a motorcycle, your watercraft, charge your phones, your cameras, your game consoles, all with this little device right here. It's maybe, I don't know how big I would say it is. I mean, you can look at my hands and kind of get an idea of the size of it. It's got a little bit of a heft to it. It's got a pretty big battery in there, 18,000 milliamp hours, and peak current of 600 amps, so this thing can put out some juice. We're going to talk about the features here that are included in this bad boy. So first of all, it's kind of a piece of safety equipment, as well as a mobile charging platform, we could say. One of the great things is they include this multi-charging port USB plug, which can be used anywhere. Even if you don't want to use it with this device, you can plug this into your computer or your wall outlet and get Lightning, 30-pin, micro USB, and mini USB. Unfortunately, it doesn't have USB-C, but this has got you covered for a lot of different things. Having this one cable around is pretty handy, either in your car or with this kit or with your computer. And what that does is that plugs in your USB output here, and then that's going to end up charging your devices from the built-in battery. Some of the other accessories that are included with this guy are, it has a wall charger here. This is actually how you're going to charge the device. And so, this is a typical wall wart, plug it in and then plug this into the charging port on here and you're good to go. That's how you can charge it. You can also charge it using a car 12-volt battery. So you've got a car charger here, so you have wall and car charger options. You also have this dual male out, which is, if you look on the top here, this is the output for that, and so you can actually plug that in, and now you have a one of these larger sort of DC charging plugs that you might find on a device. Another great thing about that is they have a whole host of different plugs that you can plug into it. And so not only can you charge something that has this size tip, you can plug this into this, and then now you can convert it to that size tip. And so this is really, really handy to have. I know a lot of times, I'm looking for a CD, or a DVD player or something that has a certain size and you never have it. And so it's kind of cool to have that short plug and the different options there to be able to charge it with. The other great thing, like I said in the beginning, is that you can you can jumpstart your car. And that's really, really slick. So you can see a little engine start plug right here. So you're going to pull that off. You're going to plug this bad boy in here, and then you're going to be able to connect both of these cables to your positive and negative on your battery terminals, and then actually be able to use this battery to jumpstart your car. Two other really cool features that it has. We're going to go ahead and flip it to on over here. We'll check the battery status right there. Double pressing on the power button gives you a little emergency light here, so if you get a flat or something and you want to stick this outside your car and make sure people see you on the side of the road. Other thing is you can actually hold down that button and it gives you a little flashlight here too, so it's pretty bright actually too, so you can see on the inside of your car, under the hood or whatever. Again, then pressing the button on that actually turns that into SOS mode, so you can actually set this up so that one side of it is facing traffic and the other side could be facing something else with SOS. If you get lost or stuck in the snow or something like that, people might be able to see you really, really easily with this on there. So really cool safety features to have, as well as backup power features to have. With this unit, it fits nice and snug inside its own little carrying case here, and so we can actually go ahead and stick that down in there and then put all these plugs back inside here. Then the whole thing zips up into this kind of compact, nice, I don't know if it's canvas, but it's got a nice sort of canvasy feel to it with some padding, and so you can throw that in the trunk of your car and feel like you got a pretty good chance of staying safe out on the road there if you break down, or if you have a dire need to charge a device. So hopefully you guys can check this out on Amazon. Again, it's from the guys at Topdon. They were really nice to send me this test unit to demo for them. And it again is we're going to go to the front here, premium auto start solution. And hang on one sec, multifunction power starting. So check in the comments of the notes of the video, and you'll see a link to the device on Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review here of this Model T01. There we go, charging solution.